This video will show you how to use Adobe Express to autofill a template using a list of student names and what other information you want to add to that particular template to make a document for each student listed or each name listed on a spreadsheet. So if you haven't been to Adobe Express before, it's a clever app. Go in through there. I already have it up. And whatever template you decide to use, you can, as long as you have particular fields as placeholders that you want to be filled from a spreadsheet. This one was one that I used for student names for reading map growth and how many points they increased. All right, so you need a list of student names or whatever data you want to use. At the top, you should make sure that your fields are labeled. This will help you make sure that you're drawing from the correct field when it autofills the template. So I have first name, last name, and growth. Once you have this, you will need to make sure that you download it as a CSV. So a CSV, so if you have a Google Sheets or an Excel sheet, you need to make sure that you have it in the CSV downloaded on your desktop. Okay. Then go back to your template, and the option to autofill this is called bulk create. And once you're in bulk create, it prompts you to do pretty much all the next steps pretty easily. So I'm going to go ahead and browse, find my data, open it, okay, and then next. And so it's got some old fields that don't, because I've done this using a different sheet, so I'm going to go ahead and delete those so that you can see how to connect an element. So I'm going to click first name, connect element, click that again, and it has the lists of my columns. So I'm going to click first name, last name, connect element, last name, and then the only placeholder I have left is this growth. So connect element and growth. Okay, click next. It's going to preview it for you first, and you can go ahead and make sure everything looks good. And you can see they've filled all the names, and then create those 35 pages is what from my list. And that is it. And you can, as far as printing, you can use the download button or share, however you want to.